What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I know you've seen meme coins that have been running lately. Maybe in the last 2 weeks, depending on what meme coin you're watching, but it seemed like everything was definitely making a move, even lower end meme coins. But when it comes to the top of the market, things were shifting around a lot, right? We weren't really focused on the regular, meme coin market, or sorry, the cryptocurrency market. While that was very enticing, and you see Bitcoin going up to 68, 69, and Ethereum getting up to 4,000, all of these, a lot of energy, money, billions and billions of dollars that are going into the meme coin market is, shifting around these different cryptocurrencies. And honestly, it's amazing to see. But yesterday, we saw a huge move from Pepe. And if you don't know what Pepe is, it came up in the bear market, so it really didn't experience a bull market yet. And I knew that we would see this absolutely pop off, absolutely make a huge move to a whole nother level. Now we're going to talk about the price that it got to, the almost price that it got to, as well as the market cap that it was at, and just where I believe that this is going to go in the bull market. Now, guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my link for Margex. If you guys want to utilize Margex, feel free to hit that link down in the description. But Margex is a fantastic platform that honestly I've been gaining a lot with. You can see all of the gains over there. I just put a order in for ApeCoin, and I'm already up $174 on the investment that I made, and it's only up from $2.17 up to $2.30. That's not a 57% gain, but because of leverage, I'm able to get 57% on my investment. So as long as you're doing it correctly, you can make a ton of money out of this, and find great opportunities for you, and great opportunities for you to gather more cryptocurrency. And also, if you're interested in a Pepe video, which you obviously are because you clicked on the video, you can actually trade Pepe. You can leverage any of your positions to then trade Pepe if you feel like it's going to absolutely explode to the next level. I did hold a trade before and made, I think it was $200 on it, $300 on it. Wasn't a massive amount, but compared to how much I put in, it was massive. So anyways, if you want to check out Margex down below, there's no KYC. Sign up today and get started, and make sure you protect yourself on these leverage trades. I don't really do, as you can see here, I have only up to 10x leverage. I'm not doing 25x leverage, 50x leverage, 100x leverage, but you have the opportunity to do that as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into what Pepe is doing right now. And also look at the price prediction and all of the above, right? So currently Pepe is at a level of 0.00008714. It's at a $3.6 billion market cap. So you see that it has collapsed from the peak point, but that peak point is what is very, very interesting. And I knew that we would see a resistance from that level. And I talked about it, and everybody was like, are we going to see it, get to a level where it could possibly break a zero? And or drop a zero, and it was so close to doing that. But did I think it was going to? Eventually it will. But did I think it was going to when it got up to that point? No. It was going to resist before it. It's like when people say, oh, this is going to get to $1, they resist either well before it or right before it gets to that point. It's a strong, strong point to be investing in, right? You're not going to see many people that are buying at that level, but more people that are selling at that level, which creates a larger resistance. But if we look at the market cap again, it's currently at a $3.6 billion market cap. It has $3.3 billion worth of volume. Like, this is so much money that's flowing into the meme coin market. This is just one position that's seeing $3.3 billion. And I believe this is the third position by meme coins. So you have two other ones that are seeing multiple billions of dollars more than what Pepe is seeing. But Pepe is on the move. Pepe is making a huge move, and definitely making its presence known or felt. But currently, we can see the volume to market cap ratio at 94.8%. All of the supply is out there, which is 420 trillion. But like, if we look at how this has moved in the last 24 hours, it's been picking up, and it got all the way up to this point, which was a 0.00000 0.99 level, right before the level of dropping a zero. This doesn't mean that dropping the zero is the highest point possible, but this is a brand new all-time high for Pepe. And it looks and feels phenomenal to see it get up to that point. And you can see that retracement that we've seen creating these lower highs and lower lows situations down to whatever the resistance point will be. And honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we see it, we got down to this point and that looks like it could be a solid support level, that it could bounce off of and start that trend back upward. If we see a positive weekend, I would expect to see it easily break that drop zero level and get to 4 zeros and now start competing with the likes of Shiba Inu, because honestly they have around, let's say, the same supply. They have trillions, hundreds of trillions. Shiba Inu has hundreds of trillions, and now you can get up to Shiba Inu like levels and possibly take over Shiba Inu or overtake Shiba Inu. Now, does that mean Shiba Inu is going to be worthless? No, I still think Shiba Inu has a lot more hype, but right now Pepe has a ton of attention and is turning a lot of heads at the current moment. Now, if I had to give my predictions on exactly where I believe this is going to be, that's where a lot of people may vary. A lot of people may say that this is only going to get to a $5 billion market cap, or that this will get to a 1 cent price. Well, we have to understand what the supply is, if they have any type of burns that are associated with it. If it gets to a 1 cent price, you're looking at a $4.2 trillion market cap. I don't see that happening for Pepe. I see that happening for Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum, and XRP, but definitely not a meme coin. I don't see that happening for Dogecoin, for Shiba Inu, for Pepe, for anything that's on the list. But it doesn't mean that it won't have that success, right? I do see it at a level to where we won't only drop 1 zero right now, we're going to drop another zero. So we're going to get to a $42 billion market cap. At the level of this drop zero, it will be a $4.2 billion market cap. At the level of another drop zero, it will be $42 billion market cap. You can see how close it got to that $4.2 billion market cap. It was up here at the $4.16 billion market cap. So it's right there, ready to blow, ready to get up to that next level. And again, I know a lot of people are very, very happy with the growth that it has received, because you look at the last month, it's up 782%. The last year, it's up 15,170%. So you're looking at a massive return overall, not just a 10x, not just a 50x. What is that? 150x if I'm being for real? Because that's a 10x. For some reason I can't do math today, but it ended up increasing a lot. And I know a lot of people made a ton of money from this, even not only from this level down here, but also from this level more recently, where you see this in 2024. Like, if you were a part of this from this point, you made so much money, right? Look at it a month ago, again, 801% of an increase. That's massive. That right there is an 8x return, right? It's amazing, right? I love seeing the growth. I only have $400 worth of it, and I would have loved to have had more, but during the time where Pepe came on, I really didn't have a lot of money to throw into the markets. Now I do, of course, but I don't want to throw it on basically anything that's moving in the market because it's up 800%. But I know a lot of people like to take that risk as you see different retracements, and this would have been the time to do so at a $2.2 billion market cap. But ultimately, I see it getting to a $42 billion market cap, if not more than that, at least a $42 billion market cap. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about Pepe. Also, make sure you check out Margex down below if you want to start leverage trading something else and also trading Pepe or Shiba Inu or Dogecoin or whatever. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.